Nakakakilabot na karanasan sa kalusugan ang ipinakita ng batikang aktres na si Claudine Barreto, matapos isugod sa ospital kamakailan lang. Sa kanyang Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Claudine ang ilang detalye ng kanyang pinagdaanan, na sinasabi niyang medyo matagal na niyang nararamdaman. Ayon sa caption ni Claudine, "Been needing to go to the hospital 4 weeks na. My BP has been too low and to be admitted was necessary." Inamin din niya na natakot siya at hindi naging handa sa naging kaganapan sa kanyang health condition. Kasunod niyan ay ikinwento ng aktres ang isang insidente, habang siya'y nilalagnat at inaalagaan ang kanyang anak na si Noah. While giving Noah a bath even with high fever, 2 nurses gave me a bath after Noah. I just jerked and my speech was slurred. I was disoriented while they carried me back to my bed. I was trying my best to tell them that I need my hair to be blow-dried in a minute, so many doctors and nurses kept telling everyone but patient. Not knowing the meaning. They brought me to the OR then MRI. Injected me with something so painful and I didn't even know how I got back to my room. Sa gitna ng kanyang karanasan, pinasalamatan niya ang mga taong nag-alaga sa kanya, partikular na ang kanyang mga anak. Sa huli, labis niyang pinasalamatan ang Diyos para sa pagmamahal ng kanyang pamilya. Aniya, "God thank you for my children, I'm so blessed." Hindi naman nagbigay ng iba pang detalye ang aktres tungkol sa kanyang kasalukuyang kondisyon, ngunit malinaw na patuloy siyang nagpapagaling kasama ang suporta ng kanyang pamilya at mga tagahanga. Narito ang ilang get well wishes na nabasa namin sa comment section. Please take good care my queen, eat healthy food Ate Clau, love you. Get well soon Mommy Clau. We hope that you will get discharged the soonest. I'll pray for you Ate Clau, get well and hope you feel better soon. Sending you love and strength Miss Clau. Your courage through this is inspiring. Take care, and we're all rooting for your recovery.